Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll learn how to customize the X and Y axis in SwiftUI Charts. Let's get started. We already have a sample app ready to work with. If you would like to learn how we built this sample project from scratch, check out the video linked in the description below. Right now, Charts automatically handles the X and Y axis labels. Let's start by customizing the visible area of the chart. I want to display 10 days of my data at a glance. This will give me more space for the x-axis labels. You can see that the bar chart's width has increased, and we now only see 10 days within the visible window of the chart. By default, if you just type axis marks and don't specify anything, SwiftUI Charts will decide how to display the labels for you. But I want a bit more control. I'm going to label every single day on the chart, and at the start of each month, I'll draw a ticker line to make it stand out. I'll also add the month name right on that first day, so it's easy to see where each month begins. For each value, I'll take the date and extract the day. Then I'll use that day as the label with axis value label. As I said, at the start of each month, I want to show a bit more info. I'll include both the day and the month, but only for that first day. For the remaining days, I'll only show the day number. Now let's add axis lines for the x-axis as well. I'll draw a ticker line at the start of each month and a thinner line for all the other days. We can do this by adjusting the line width of the grid line. Right now you can see we are only drawing a line for the start of the month. If you want the grid line to extend all the way to the labels, that's called an AxisTick. For the remaining days, we'll draw a line that's thinner than the one at the start of the month. If you want, you can also add an axis tick for these days as well. You can also change the color of the lines we just drew by using the foregroundStyle modifier. So that's the x-axis done. Now let's take a look at how we can customize the y-axis as well. If you don't want anything on the y-axis, you can simply use an empty modifier. This will remove all the automatic lines and labels for that axis. Now let's add an AxisGridLine and AxisTicks for the y-axis. If you don't need to modify them explicitly, you can skip the value in parts that I've written. For the y-axis, I'll also show you how to format the values to display decimal numbers. You can do this by setting the format of the axis value label and specifying the number of fraction digits you want. Let me show you the final chart of the app. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us.